Hi, this is Mortgage Mark, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to pay off your mortgage early using one of my favorite tips. So let's just dive straight into it. So first off, I want to just set this situation up by, let's assume that you purchased a property for roughly about $500,000, put $50,000 down, interest rate of 3% on a 30-year amortization. In this situation, you're looking at a monthly payment of just under $2,400 a month. And you were looking at paying that mortgage off simply as quickly as possible, looking for a best strategy. So I've outlined other strategies in my other videos, so make sure to take a look at them. This one I'm going to specifically work on the annual payment. So at the end of the year, a lot of people get annual bonuses or sales bonuses or different bonus money that they get around the Christmas time if their company does very well. I know this is not for everybody, but a lot of people do, and they're wondering what they should do with it. Should they put it in the tax advantage accounts? Should they invest it? Should they put it down on their mortgage? What exactly should they do with their money? And I want to just tell you how this impacts you if you simply just put an extra payment onto your mortgage. I mean, you could go out and put the full sum and try to pay off your mortgage simply as quick as possible, but sometimes there's a lot of good reasons to put into some different tax advantaged accounts and try to limit your taxes for the next season. So let's just, instead of putting the full thing on there, let's just look at one extra payment. So whenever you get your bonuses, whether it's in the middle of the year, start of the year, end of the year, you just put an extra payment on it. So in the situation I lined up at the beginning, they're going to put an extra $2,400 at the end of the year every single year throughout the course of the mortgage. What this does is it impacts the amortization. So in this case, they were starting off with a 30-year amortization. It decreases it by 53 months over the course of the full term of the amortization if everything stays the same. So it essentially saves them about 53 months worth of payments because they're going to be paying it off substantially early by making that lump sum payment. So it's just another technique that you would want to have in your arsenal that is going to allow you to pay off your mortgage a lot quicker. Now, if you don't get a huge bonus, or if making an additional lump sum payment throughout the course of the year isn't for you, but you still want to take advantage of these approaches that are going to help you pay down your mortgage even quicker, what I like to do too is I like to calculate how much an annual lump sum payment would be, divide that by the number of payments I'm doing. Usually I'm doing a bi-weekly payment. It's going to have every second Friday with my regular mortgage payments. I'll just tack on that amount there and have it come off regularly with my paycheck. So at the end of the year, essentially I would have done a lump sum payment as well. Now keep in mind, I also recommend that you adjust this amount. Now you might not always want to just put a single extra payment at the end of the year. You might want to adjust this based on how much you're getting in terms of your bonus. Some years you might not get any bonus or very limited bonuses. Some years you might get a substantially bigger bonus. So you want to be able to have the flexibility to adjust this amount if need be based on what you expect to receive at the end of the year. So always keep that in mind, or adjust your weekly payments to reflect what you're making now. So that's also a good technique that you can use to help to pay off your mortgage substantially quicker. You can usually save about 5 to 10 years off your amortization just making some simple adjustments. So this has been Mortgage Mark. If this was helpful, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you know any simple tricks that can help you pay off your mortgage substantially quicker, leave it in the comments below. Click on my video on the side. It's going to give you another helpful tip to help to pay off your mortgage even faster. Thanks for watching.